Alright, people. I have a short story to say. So, like I said in my last interview, I'm going to tell a story while I'm trying to get this camera angle fixed. Had 10 seconds ago. And I gotta hit record and this happens, but... Well, I said in my last interview, I'm not going to do another interview for... Give or take... Oh, there we go. Give or take until July. And this is true. Because I wanted to watch some animes from my past that I remember quite well. Well, I go into Netflix, and they fucking removed Queen's Blade. And I just hit GameStar like an idiot when I meant to hit something else. No. And I'm going to have to go back to the main menu. As you can see, I played this game before. It's Lolipop Chainsaw. Well, I'm watching some anime from my... Well, not my childhood, but like when I first got into anime. Go Netflix, and they fucking removed Queen's Blade. Well, I can live with that because I know what Queen's Blade is. Okay, is there a way... Let me try and figure this out. I haven't played this in give or take a year. So, yeah. And, well, I go, and, well, that since they removed Queen's Blade, I think to myself, well, maybe I can watch Full Metal Panic. And I remember, they removed that too. I don't know why they removed Full Metal Panic, but they did. So I'm flipping through the anime archives and I see good old High School of the Dead. And I'm like, well, I'll watch that. Forget it. And, well, I'm watching it. Think to myself, this reminds me of something. What does this remind me of? Oh, yeah. This. And apparently there isn't a way... Is there a way to delete all data? Excuse me while I fuck around with this shit. So, yeah. I decide to play this. For you guys. Why? I don't know. Huh. Anyway. Apparently there's not, and for whatever reason my control stick got caught there. Is there really? Apparently not. Well, I'll just do it this way, fuck it. I don't remember much of this game. But I do remember I unlocked a lot of shit while I was playing it. Like, I played it like mad. So I guess I'll have to do it normally and go from, like, this way. Yeah, I'm going to have to start from, like, the beginning going from there. I'll do what I remember. Let's see here. What costumes did I unlock? I think I unlocked, like, yeah, I unlocked, like, all of them. Wait a minute. Let's see here. I apparently didn't, but I remember now why it reminded me of High School of the Dead. It's because they have two costumes from High School of the Dead. They have fucking Rays, and they have Psychos, which is like the same. Except for the knee pads. They also have this chick from... I'm bound to butcher this. Koro de Zombie wa Desuka. Which translates to, is it a zombie? They have this from Dead Man Wonderland. And they have this chick from Menu Scroll, which I almost watched, but I told it on the forum. Anyway, you know what? I don't care. I'm going as my waifu, Musujima Psycho, because that's my girl. Because I can't delete all data, or if there's some way I don't know it, I'll start from the beginning here. I may as well just do it this way. I vaguely remember this game. Barely. Like, I remember some of the controls, and I remember somewhat what to do. Anyway. Oh, I just now noticed the gloves. Yeah, they're kind of dead zombies, girl. Julia, that's your name. Oh, yes, because everybody keeps a chainsaw in their bag. I was puzzled about that in the beginning. When I first played this. You know, and I guess I could do this also in honor of the fact that they're finally making a High School of the Dead Season 2. I guess I may as well, so why the fuck not? I'm gonna turn this up so you can actually hear it. I forgot they had those profiles.
This is so irritating.
Okay, let's see if I remember how the fuck to play this game. Hopefully... Oh, never mind. Oh. Okay, that's move around, that's move the... That's a pom-pom, I remember now. That's a chainsaw. That's jump. That's low attack. Okay. Now. Whoa, what'd I just do? Wrong button. I forgot I unlocked a lot of the combos as well, but I don't remember the combos at all. So this is practically like a new playthrough. Are you kidding me? It's awesome! Oh yeah, that's... I remember grinding for like money by just doing those like triple kills. So get ready to see that a lot. And you can just die. Ow, what the fuck? Where'd you come from? What the fuck did I just do? I like it. I'm not even quite sure how I did that. Anyway. Aha, I remember that move. And there was a reason why. Aww, he died. Hey. Oh, he's dead. That's right. I remember now. It's like four hits of X and Y does that spinneroo move. Weren't you bitten?
I'm still alive.
What the fuck? I thought you were dead. I thought you were bitten. I remember the ending of this game. There's like two different endings. One's a bad one, one's a good one. And in order to get the good one, you had to fucking save everybody. And I've already saved everybody, so no matter what, I'm gonna get the good one. This game is basically High School of the Dead with a chainsaw. I also remember there's a way you can change the background music, so after this part, I'm gonna fuck around with it. Wow. Nice driving, dumbass. Fuck you, rip out my teeth. Oh yeah, that's an achievement. It's actually an achievement to look up her skirt. Unfortunately, Devin gave that to me. I remember doing that a lot, just to chop off their dicks. I don't know why. But I did. Hooray for being athletic. It's funny because this is actually a lot like High School of the Dead in a way. Because the first two episodes of High School of the Dead, they spit in a school. The first, I think, 3 levels of this, it's either 2 or 3 you're still in the school, then the rest of it you're not. So this is a lot like High School of the Dead with a chainsaw. You 3! Die! Or just chop off your arms. Why is their blood pink, by the way? I don't think I ever understood that. Get off me, you Zeta sons of digits! Oh, nice. Quad kill. Well, thankfully, unlike High School of the Dead, there's no fucking Matrix tits. The fuck? Dumbass.
Come on, get away from me.
Get out of here, motherfucker.
Hold on, I'm coming.
That worked. Yeah, I remember how to play this game now. Thank God. Die. Just everybody die. The fuck is this guy?
My favorite president is Warren G. Harding.
The fuck does that have to do with anything? Isn't this song in Saints Row the Third? I feel like I've heard it before. Get the fuck away from him! I think I hurt him more than anybody else. My chainsaw. What the fuck? Spooked. Got spooked. Yes, just... That's... Oh god, I hate escort missions! Thankfully I can do this. And fuck everything up. Get the fuck out of here! Wow. I'm apparently good at this. Sparkle hunting. I vaguely remember that's how you get, like, money in this game. Those medals are basically money. What did I just get? 7? I killed 7 at once! That worked! Magical! The fuck? How dare you break my combo! No combo breaking here! This is not Street Fighter, whatever the fuck that's from. I forget what it's from. I'm pretty sure it's Street Fighter. Die both of you. Oh god, this guy's about to die. Are you dead? Thank you. Oh, come on! What, B? Quick time events? There's more! What the fuck? I don't think I ever did that in the game! What the fuck is that charge move? How did I do that? I remember using that a lot. Let's see, X, X, Y maybe? No, that's that. X, X, X. No, that's that. That ain't it. Fuck it, I give up. What the fuck is this? What the fuck? I remember there's a way to, like, do the splits and cut them in half. And I love doing that. Yes, just take the zombies up with you. That's smart. Dumbass. Just die. Just, if you're dumbass enough. Oh yeah, this fucking phone.
Just a second.
I forgot how weird this game was at times.
Hope you're taking care of yourself. Don't do anything stupid, okay?
The fuck? What's the point of that?
Wow, now is the perfect time to do some shopping.
Oh yeah, I forgot that this game had shopping at these stupid stands. I'm just gonna split this part here and try to figure a few things out in the meantime. This part wasn't really eventful, I know, camera shaking for no reason. So, see you in the next part.